The Braille Bites logo appears. There are two Braille letter Bs, and animated bites are taken from two of the dots. Season 1, Episode 9, Tactile Scavenger Hunt.
Exploration of object characteristics is an important skill for early literacy development.
Jen stands in a kitchen, wearing an apron with the Braille Bites logo. A large wooden cutting board, sheets of hard copy Braille, and a plastic container sit on the counter.
Searching for real-life objects with unique characteristics can help develop tactile exploration skills. This recipe can be done using everyday household objects. We'll need several key ingredients for this recipe. I have a selection of household items with unique characteristics. I have a credit card that's flat. I have a pen that's long and skinny. I have a USB flash drive that's short. I have a container with a lid that's large and hollow.
The container is about 15 centimeters in height.
And I have a face cloth that's soft. Now it's time to mix our ingredients together. Have your child explore each object and describe its characteristics. Is it large or small?
Jen holds up the USB flash drive and the plastic container.
Is it long or short?
Jen holds up the USB flash drive and the pen.
Is it soft or hard?
Jen holds up the face cloth and the container.
Have your child pick one of the objects with a characteristic that they like. For example, I'll pick this credit card because I like that it's flat. Now it's time to top off our recipe. Go on a scavenger hunt. Explore each room in the house and discuss what people do in that room and what sorts of objects might be found there.
Jen reads from sheets of hard copy Braille.
What are the objects in that room like? A bedroom might have lots of soft objects, while a kitchen might have lots of hard objects, and a home office might have lots of small objects. Find objects that match the characteristics of the one your child picked. For example, an envelope found in the home office and a plate found in the kitchen would both be flat like the credit card I chose. You can also play a game by mixing up a bunch of household objects and dividing them between you and your child. Other family members or friends can join in too. Take turns asking another player if they have an object with a particular characteristic. If they do have it, they'll give it to you. If not, you'll have to go on a scavenger hunt around the room to find one with the chosen characteristic. This has been 3 activities that can help to build tactile exploration and fine motor skills. For a copy of these recipes, see the description below.
Braille Bites is brought to you by Braille Literacy Canada and PRCVI. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss our next video about creating a language experience book.